Alright, I was asked to show the top and tilt plus the hydraulic rippers on this box plate on my M62. Right now it's having some sort of hydraulic leak or bypass. I'm not sure if it's air in the lines or if it's something with the valving. My guess is it's something with the valving. It's an issue I've had since I bought it, but haven't been able to narrow it down. Tried flushing any air out of the system, but for whatever reason it tends to sag over time, especially the rippers. I maybe get a couple minutes before it unlocks or, you know, falls down. So I'll make this short just to kind of show what it can do. I've got this going in the shop here shortly to hopefully take care of that issue. I'm hoping it's not a persistent issue. Other than that, I've liked it quite a bit. It's very versatile to have the capability to do all the different angles and directions, as well as be able to pull the teeth up and down without much effort other than pulling a lever. That said, when it moves on its own, it's a pain in the butt. So let's get this set up and I'll show you what it can do. So to start off with, I'll show the controls. So if you look right here, we have the 3 different levers. So the first one over here I've got set up for basically lifting up the rippers. And then we have our angle forward and back. And then our side to side up for the last lever. So that gives me my tilt if I'm doing, you know, slope or drainage or something like that. And of course you have your normal 3-point attachment, which lifts the whole thing up and down. Alright, so with that said, let me go ahead and get this set off to the side. Hopefully that's a good enough angle that you can see what's going on. I've got just a little bit of humps in the driveway here in my own place, so we'll use that. You can see right now that those rippers are just dropping down on their own, so you can see how long it takes. Now the nice thing is when it is all the way down, it does have a cam over position which locks it in place. However, with that loss of pressure, it doesn't like to stay in that position, so I'll have to probably go over and tighten that up every now and again if it stops ripping. That's our first pass with the rippers. You can see that did a pretty good job of breaking all that hard packed soil up. Now we'll go ahead and lift the rippers up and out of the way. that's just a brief showing of what the functions are for this hydraulic ripper. If you have any questions, if you'd like me to do anything else, feel free to give me a comment and let me know. Thank you.